Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
This one was sent to us over by Bebby. Ayan. So, sabi ni Bebby, "Hi DJ Lala. I need advice. But don't disclose my name, please. I am married with 2 kids. Separated since 2021, but it's not legal. Like, nahuli ko lang yung dati kong asawa na may scandal sa phone and then we separated na. And now, there is a man who's willing to take a risk for me. We met 7 years ago. He knows my status and all, but still wants to win me. I am not sure pa to take the risk too. Pero ayoko ding masayang yung opportunity na to. He has plans for us. And I told him na ayoko mag-take ng risk again, tapos in the end, wala na naman. Kung magte-take ako ng risk, gusto ko, yun na talaga. As in, last na talaga. And then he said na, I have his word daw. I know he is real to his feelings, and I am hoping na siya na to. DJ Lala, my question is, should I pursue him or should I not? My love, kung wala kang tinatapakang tao sa gagawin mong yan, kung wala namang maiistorbo, kung wala namang sabit, kung nakikita mo naman or napansin mo naman na genuine yung tao, no matter how many times you turned him down, I want you to go for it. I want you to take a risk. Plunge into being in love. Go ahead, my love. In this life, if we want things to happen for ourselves, it's either we go for it or we stay in our comfort zone. Pero like what I've seen sa Facebook timeline ko before, I just forgot who said it. Nothing grows in that comfort zone. Walang umuusbong sa comfort zone na yan. It will remain as it is nung pagpasok mo. So again, if you want to be happy in life, if you want something new, something beautiful, something progressive sa buhay mo, I suggest you take a risk. I'm not gonna promise you na nothing bad will ever happen kasi no one will ever know. Wala namang makakaalam eh. Kung ang relationship na meron tayo ngayon would last until a lifetime. But what we have is today. What we can feel today, what we can do today, what can mean to us today. That's all that matters. Kasi hindi naman nila sinabing mabuhay ka para sa bukas eh. Mabuhay ka para sa ngayon. You have to live the moment. If you'll go about life nang masyado kang takot masaktan, nang masyado kang takot mahirapan, nang masyado kang takot ma-disappoint, your life will remain meaningless, purposeless, less happier. And I don't think you want that. Even your kids, I don't think they want that for you. They want you to be happy, my love. They want you to fall in love again. They want you to believe in love again. They want you to believe in yourself again. And the only way that can happen if you'll take a risk. Kung susugal ka. Sabihan mo na ako ng sulsol, sabihan mo na ako ng mambubuyo, pero if kasiyahan mo ang pinag-uusapan natin, I'll be willing, more than willing, to take that label as mambubuyo. Kasi nasira na nung mga nakaraan natin yung past natin eh. Do not let them ruin our future as well. 'Di ba? Pinigilan na nila tayong sumaya before. Huwag na natin sila hayaang magkaroon pa ng say sa kinabukasan natin. Huwag na natin silang hayaan na magkaroon pa ng parte sa kung paano natin ililive yung mga buhay natin for the rest of our lives. If masasaktan, sige. Masaktan ako, masaktan. At least I'll live this life with no regrets. Walang sana. Walang kung. Kasi alam ko na ibinigay ko sa sarili ko lahat ng posibleng oportunidad para sumaya ako. Araw-araw na akong nasistress sa everyday chaotic problems. Itong konting hint of happiness na to, ibibigay ko na to sa sarili ko. If I am on your shoes, that's how I'll think. Again, if your kids are okay with it, if your family is okay with it, if walang sabit si Guy, if okay yung family ni Guy, if everything is set, just say yes. For 7 years, you've stopped yourself. You've been cautious. Naging maingat ka. Well, there's nothing wrong sa pagiging maingat. Pero, tatanungin lang kita, sa loob ng 7 taon na yon na nagpigil ka, naging masaya ka ba? Naging happy ka ba? Naging kasing saya ka ba ng pantasya mo or thought mo of how would it be kung kayo? How would it feel like if every single day pag gumigising ka, there's someone with you, facing the world's challenges with you? If you are not that happy sa reality, at yung happiness na lang na yun ay nararamdaman mo sa fantasy of you and him being together, then ate, the only person who is stopping you from being happy is yourself. So go. Pagbigyan mo yung sarili mo. Malaki na tayo. Marami na tayong sugat, scars of yesterday. Battle scars kung tawagin in life. Ano lang ba naman yung isa pang sugat kung masasaktan? Sa dami ng pinagdaanan natin, kalyado na tayo. So go. Be happy, my love. And everyone will be happy for you. Tandaan mo, you're doing that not because the guy is great. You're doing that because you deserve to be happy. Claro?